How to earn cashback in Amazon Pay. So to earn cashback in Amazon Pay, first thing you want to do is to check for specific cashback offers. Just go to the app, navigate to the rewards page, and click on an offer that interests you with its details and criteria, and then you want to purchase by completing the purchase required for the payment. Then you can also use a co-branded Amazon Pay credit card. So you can just get the Pay credit card from Amazon and then a partner bank like ICICI Bank, and then you can use the card for purchases on Amazon or with Amazon Pay merchants. Then you can also earn a cashback directly to your Amazon Pay account based on the card's features by using and buying with the card itself. You can also participate in the Amazon's Rewards Gold program. You can make at least 25 transactions in the last 3 months to qualify for the Rewards Gold program. Then you can earn up to 5% unlimited cashback on purchases if you are a Prime member and 3% for non-Prime members. And you can look for offers on other services. You can check the Amazon Pay section for cashback offers, and you can use the Amazon Pay as a payment method to receive the cashback.